Hi guys, good afternoon. I am foreign workers from Bangladesh and I'm staying in Malaysia. So today is a very pathetic day for all the Bangladeshi all over the world who are staying to leave their country. Leave their family to stay in abroad to support their family and sending residents in Bangladesh. It's really heart-touching day for us. Because earlier just finished Bangladesh versus Afghanistan 2024, the World Cup Men's T20, and St. Vincent, West Indies. It's really shame to Bangladesh Cricket Board and even the Bangladesh Cricket Management. Because you know what? Because I'm working in foreign country, I woke up at morning, and since morning to right now in the afternoon, I watched the cricket match. In between, got 2 or 3 times got rain. That's why I delayed the game. But still, I just waiting for good result for Bangladesh. You know why I'm coming to live? Because later on I will share this live video to the biggest community ICC. That's why I'm speaking in English. So later on I will speak my language, Bangla as well. So even I shared this video to AXU. The biggest the department who always judge the cricket, that it is the game is fixed or not. So definitely I will share this video to ICC and AXU, because I think that Bangladesh is a very good in politics. That's worldwide, everyone knows. And now they are playing with the Bangladeshi people's emotions since they wake up in the morning and since this bullshit match, because I saw the full game. So I think after the 7th over finish, from the 9 to 11 overs, between these 3 overs, they're doing some bullshit drama. You know why? Because they got 4 reasons. The reasons, number one, they don't want to Australia to qualify semi-final. Number 2 is Bangladesh Cricket Board is fixed with one of a few of the betting. Whoever doing the fixing the game, the betting side, they got a very high amount of handsome dollars. So that's why I sold out this match. If you guys have watched the game, so definitely if you are the cricket lover, and if you love your country, you will agree with me. Agree with me, because Bangladesh totally fixed these games because of Afghanistan, because they are Muslim country, and Australia is non-Muslim country. So there are 3 reasons the Bangladesh sold their game. But these fucker assholes, they never think about our country people, that how much we are. It's really shame for the Bangladesh fucking cricket management and all the players. Why we need a game like 12 overs, 12.1 overs, you need to chase the run is 1-1-5. Why everyone played like it's an ordinary game? Why they never play like let's try? So this is the things, like 24 years already done in Bangladesh cricket, and they still doing this fucking shit and playing with the people emotion. Even we are staying in foreign country, we know that we have to work for our family, but still we believe that Bangladesh can win the match. So this one I will share with AXU and even the ICC. So the Cricket Council, the World Cricket Council, they definitely interruption, and definitely they should analyze the Bangladesh versus Afghanistan. This match is fixed because of they don't want to allow Australia to go semi-final. And if this one found and by Black and White. Let's Bangladesh cricket to be boycott and let them suspended for permanently. So Bangladesh will be never ever allowed to play cricket anymore because they are fucking politics in the cricket because of 3 reasons I told you. One is for the betting. They get some money from the all the bookies. Secondly, they're thinking about that Australia cannot be qualified for semi-final. And thirdly, because of the Muslim. So it's really heart touching. Who is here? Mehdi Akash. Mehdi Akash. So later on I will speak in Bengali language. But from today onwards, I will support Indian cricket team and I will feel proud to supporting cricket India team. At least they are not playing with the people of their own country people. They are always thinking about their country. Excuse me. These Indian people, they play for their nation. They play for people who are supporting their every single game. And what we get as a Bangladeshi, we always supporting Bangladesh team and we'll get nothing. They just make money and they take it all the emotion and play with us. Let's rise everyone and boycott Bangladesh cricket team. This is really ridiculous and shameful. Because of them, now we're going to work without sleep. We have a fine, nice game. We're going to see that Bangladesh, they raise their flag in the world, but they are totally killing our emotion. Let's boycott Bangladesh cricket team. Let's support India. You know why I should say that is support India? Because now is almost Bangladesh becoming India. Almost is Bangladesh becoming India now already. Because the railway already allowed to Bangladesh to give the space for India, so they can come inside of Bangladesh and they can drive their train to go Bhutan and others country. So very soon we have to be, wear the Indian, Indian jersey, because that time that day is not so far that very soon will be Bangladesh become a part of India. So for today, whoever loving Bangladesh cricket team, just boycott Bangladesh cricket team. You will be happy. They will not able to play with your emotion. And I will tell you one more time, the highly requested to ACSU and ICC, the Board of Cricket. Definitely, you should analyze this game, Bangladesh versus Afghanistan. This match is totally fixed. I told you about 3 reasons. One reason, they're thinking about the religion, about Muslim. Second thing, they're thinking about Australia, they cannot be qualified. And thirdly, they're taking a lot of money from the bookies who have run all the betting sites. So, ACSU and ICC, please, I will later on share this video to all the ICC and ACSU to put your leg on this matter. Why they are playing like a shit? They know they're going to win the match, but because of all this nonsense thing, the drama, and they are getting a lot of money. They don't bother the country people. They don't bother the country national anthem. They don't bother the national country, the country flag. So let these all fuckers give a very big lesson to, to just suspend it from the all kind of fucking crickets from Bangladesh. These Bangladeshi people, this Bangladesh cricket team and management, they are not eligible for any cricket game. These people who are certain people playing and their management, they are only making money. And they are playing whole over the world, who are speaking in Bengali language. And the Bangladeshi people, they just, day by day, every day, they are cheated from these fuckers. They're making money, they're going for Mercedes, they are getting the green card from the USA and other country becoming a citizenship. And we are never asleep and watch the game and they make us fool. Let them a very good lesson, ICC and ACSU. Please and please. This country don't deserve cricket. This country don't deserve cricket. This country deserve only kabaddi. Only kabaddi can pulling the leg to bring back. Cannot forward. Okay? Thank you very much. I'm sorry to say that. though I'm a Bangladeshi, but I feel very sad for Bangladesh, the peoples, because all night, like from since the morning, they all wake up and watching the game, and they ended the game in a very fucking bad way. Okay, I'm a foreigner. I'm staying in a foreign country. I have to go attend my job, But I wake up from morning and I watch the game for bloody this fucking drama for what? This is a bullshit. So from today onwards, I support India. I support Indian cricket team, and I will wear the Indian cricket jersey, and I will feel proud because they are always playing for their country. They're not cheated with the people. They still try for the single drop of their blood. This is shame to Bangladesh cricket board and Bangladesh cricket team and Bangladesh fucking cricket management. You guys are bullshit. You should learn. You should learn how to love their country. You should learn how to love the country people. You cannot do like this each and every time, in every single day. It's every single the big event. 24 years. Come on. You guys have fucking brain. You have a fucking head. Huh? You having our own money, 24 years. You are looking forward for second round. Come on. You are simply wasting our country money. If you are not able to play, just resign and fuck off. This is a job. This is not a place for drama. You're just going for drama and put your account becoming millionaire money in your account. Let all the players coming from the finish their journey, after they finish their picnic, let them put them in the custody. Ask the reports what the fuck they did. It's really shame. I will later on share with this video with ICC and ACSU. That's why I speak in English. Now I speak in my language. আমার খুবই আজকে খারাপ লেগেছে, কারণ আমি সকাল থেকে আমি আমার দেশের জন্য সেই উদ্গ্রীবভাবে বসেছিলাম যে যেভাবে হোক বাংলাদেশ জিতবে, আমরা সেই আশা করছিলাম। এবং যেভাবে খেলছিল আমরা একদম পুরো দ্বার প্রান্তেই ছিলাম। 9 ওভারে যখন রান প্রায় 77-এর কাছাকাছি বা 79-এর মতো, 77-এর মতো, তখন বাংলাদেশের 19 বল না 21 বলে লাগে 53 রান। এই একটা ইকুয়েশনে কেউ ট্রাই করে নাই, যে গেছে লিটন গেছে, কানে একটা কিছু বলছে, আউট হয়ে গেল। মাহমুদুল্লাহ কি করছে, 9 বলে 5 রান, সে কোনো চেষ্টাই করে নাই। দেন রিশাদও গেছে, নামছে মাঠের মধ্যে, রিশাদও বলছে কি যেন, রিশাদ আউট হয়ে গেছে। এই বাংলাদেশের প্রত্যেকটা প্লেয়ার আজকের খেলাটা তারা বিক্রি করে দিছে। এটার 3টা কারণ। তারা ব্যাটিং সাইড থেকে প্রচুর পরিমাণে টাকা পাইছে। দ্বিতীয় কারণ, তারা চাচ্ছে না যে অস্ট্রেলিয়া কোয়ালিফাই করুক সেমিফাইনালে, কারণ তারা জানে যে তারা জিতে তাদের কোনো লাভ নাই। আর তৃতীয়ত, তারা চিন্তা করছে আফগানিস্তান মুসলমান কান্ট্রি, আমরা হাইরা গেলে মুসলমান কান্ট্রি একটা খেলতে পারবো। কিন্তু তারা কখনো আমাদের দেশ সম্পর্কে তারা চিন্তা করে নাই। আমাদের দেশের মানুষগুলো এই যে রাতের সকালে বেলা ঘুম বন্ধ করে টিএসসির মোড় কারো বাড়িতে, এই যে আমি যে বিদেশে আছি, আমরা রাতের ঘুম হারাম করে আমরা খেলা দেখছি। এখন বিনা ঘুমায়া এখন কাজ করব। এর জন্য সিদ্ধান্ত আজকে থেকে বাংলাদেশের সাপোর্টার করব না, এখন থেকে ভারতের সাপোর্ট করব। কারণ এমনিতে বাংলাদেশের ভিতর দিয়ে ভারত তাদের ট্রেন লাইন নিতেছে। তো সুতরাং 2 দিন আগে আর পরে আমাদেরকে ইন্ডিয়ার সাপোর্ট করতেই হবে। এখন বাংলাদেশ হয়ে যাবে ইন্ডিয়ার একটা পার্ট। তো সেহেতু বাংলাদেশের এই প্রত্যেকটা মানুষ যারা ক্রিকেট খেলছে, যারাই গেছে পিকনিক করতে, তাদেরকে আইনের আয়তা আনা উচিত। আয়না তাদেরকে জবাবদিহিতা করা দরকার। বাংলাদেশকে আইসিসি এবং আকসু, বাংলাদেশ যখন আশরাফুল একটা কেলেঙ্কারি করছে তখন সবাই নিষিদ্ধ করে দিছে। আমার মনে হয় আজকের এই খেলা যারা দেখছে তারা সবাই বলবে যে বাংলাদেশের ক্রিকেট বোর্ড প্রত্যেকটা প্লেয়ার, ম্যানেজমেন্ট সবাই ফিক্স করছে তাদেরকে সবাইকে, মানে বাংলাদেশের ক্রিকেট বয়কট করে দিয়া টোটালি বাংলাদেশকে সাসপেন্ড করে দেওয়া দরকার। বাংলাদেশ কোনো ক্রিকেট খেলা হবে না, শুধুমাত্র বাংলাদেশে খেলা থাকবে হাডুডু, যে খেলা খেলে মানুষ সামনে যেতে পারে না, খালি পিছনে টাইনে নিয়ে আসে। আজকে এই যে এত কষ্ট করে আমরা খেলা দেখলাম, প্রত্যেকটা মানুষ যার যার বাসায় আমরা বসে খেলা দেখছি, কেউ বাসায় কাজে দেখছি, আপনার সব জায়গায় আমরা খেলা দেখছি, সব জায়গায় আপনার দুবাই, কাতার, আপনার মালয়েশিয়া, ইউনাইটেড স্টেটস, তারপর আপনার যেসব পৃথিবীর যে কোনো দেশে আমরা যেসব জায়গায় বাংলাদেশের বা সাউথ আফ্রিকা সব দেশের মানুষ আসে যারা কাজে যাবে, আমিও তো আজকে কাজে যাব। আমরা যে এত কষ্ট করে খেলা দেখছি, আমার মনে হয় বাংলাদেশে আসলে ক্রিকেট থেকে বাদ দেওয়া উচিত। এবং আইসিসি নাকসুকে বলবো, আপনার আজকে বাংলাদেশে যে আফগানিস্তানে খেলা হয়েছে এটা অবশ্যই আপনারা তদন্ত করেন, তাহলে আপনাদের থলের বিড়াল বেড়ে যাবে। আচ্ছা, কথা বলবো না, প্রচুর রৌদ্র আর আমি খুব উত্তেজিত হয়ে গেছি। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। আর অ্যাজ আই সেড, from today onwards I'll support Indian cricket team, so at least I will be happy. আমি ফ্রাস্ট্রেশন যাব না। আবার অনেক মানুষের যারা হার্টে রুগী আছে তাদের তো বাংলাদেশে খেলা দেখা উচিতই না, তারা মারা যাবে। তো সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন, আল্লাহ হাফেজ। আর বাংলাদেশের ক্রিকেট টিমকে বয়কট করে দেন।